Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing how to add two numbers in GeoGebra. And also I am creating an increment counter where it will show how many trials you have taken to get the answer. And also one more counter is there that will show how many correct answers you have done. So let's start. Sum of two numbers. Now for two digits, I have to create a variable. Here in input, you can type a equal to random between. I'm just giving minus 25. You can give any numbers randomly. And I need one more variable for the second digit. Be equal to same random number minus 25, 100. Now one more variable c equal to minus. Now I'm creating a slider. Let it be d. Give it minus 50 to 200 and increment 1. Now I need an input box to input the numbers. Input box sum equal to, I'm linking with the slider D. Now click on it. This is the input box. Here you can enter the answer. So we don't need this much lengthy input box. Style. Input box length 10 is enough. Now it should show the numbers. For that I click on text. Here we need A plus here I made a mistake. It is not A minus B. As it is addition, it should be plus. It is not visible, so click on object properties, color. I'm giving red. Text bold large. Now it is visible. Now we need a button. Submit. After writing the answer in the input box, we have to submit it. And before that, we have to create two variables, one for trial. Because you should get how many times we have tried to get the answer. So trial, first I'm giving this the lowest limit 0. Now for answer, also I am giving 0. Now we have to give some command here. On click command. When we click submit, it should show how many number of trials and how many number of trials you have taken to get the correct answer. So here I am giving the commands. So set value, open bracket, trial, comma, trial plus 1. That is first command. Now we have to give an if statement. value, bracket, answer, this is our variable, comma, if, open bracket, C is the answer equal to the input slider. When C equal to D, answer plus 1. Close to. This is the command. Now 5 minus 7. 5 minus 5 plus minus 7. It is minus 12. Let's see. 12. Before that, we have to see this here. So I'm clicking on text. Here I am giving number of trials equal to this. Now again one more text box. Number of correct answers equal to clicking for answers. Okay. Now it is 0. Now we are going to submit the answer. It is minus 12. Then submit. It is correct. So number of correct answers 1 and number of trials 1. Suppose if I put 10, the answer is wrong. So you can see the number of trials become 2 and the number of correct answers it is 1 only because the answer was wrong. And here also you can give the commands. When the answer is correct, it will show correct. If the answer is wrong, it will show try again. So this has been already discussed in my previous videos. So I am not telling again here because it was already there. So some features are already explained in the previous that you can take up into this activity and you can make it more, modify this, you can make it more beautiful, but applying whichever tools or whichever commands you can use. So it is up to you. So I am just showing the general thing because tools and commands already discussed for modification in the previous videos that you can apply. Now, if you need to create new problem, then we have one more button we need, that is new problem. Here we will give the command, click, update, construction, open bracket, close bracket. At least the same. It is why it is showing red. Yes, update construction. When you click new, it will change. You can see the numbers are changing randomly. And you can make it more beautiful. Click on object property, text, bold. I'm making it large. I want blue color. Yes. Now we don't need to show this slider, so I am hiding this objects. So slider. Like that, you can change the color of all the text. You can see when I am entering 36 plus 58, it is 94. Then click on submit. Okay, this is 88. Yes, number of tries 3, number of correct answers 2. Again, I am checking new problem. Minus 6 plus 61 is 55. 55, I am submitting this. You can see the number of trials become 4 and number of correct answers is 3. Now, again, new problem. The correct answer is 108, but I am just putting 105. Let's see. Number of trials became 5 and number of correct answers is still 3 because the answer was wrong. writing the correct answers. Now you guys. So, okay, guys, that's it. See you soon with a wonderful project. Bye bye.